Hello all my beauties there, welcome back to my channel. If you have super sensitive skin and you can't tolerate retinol and still want to do anti-aging skincare routine, then I have got a perfect product for you. This product will not only give you anti-aging benefit but also calm and soothe your irritating skin. This is a fantastic product not only for people with sensitive skin but for everyone. CosRx Multipeptide Serum. This product is very viral. I am sure you must have seen this product somewhere or the other. This comes with 6 potent peptides, amino acids, a little bit of niacinamide. The ingredient list of this product has really impressed me a lot. And the one thing which has impressed me most is that it has also got copper peptide. Copper peptide is one of the most expensive, potent, and effective form of peptide which gives you maximum anti-aging results. Now, people who can't tolerate retinol, they can tolerate peptides very easily. Peptides are very subtle, hydrating, and effective. Now, this product will do for your skin. This product will not only reduce the appearance of your fine lines and wrinkles, but also helps to improve overall texture of your skin. This product will not only help to calm your irritated skin but also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve overall texture of your skin, and give you radiant and hydrated skin. This can be used by everyone, even doesn't matter how sensitive skin you have, you can use this product. It will not irritate your skin. And you can use it in your AM and PM skincare routine both. And if you are using in your AM skincare routine, and if you are also using your vitamin C serum, then you have to be a little bit careful about it, because peptides are alkaline in nature and vitamin C is highly acidic in nature. So if you layer them immediately one on each other, then they both end up neutralizing each other, giving you no result. So give a 4-5 minutes time gap when you layer your vitamin C with not only this peptide serum, with any other peptide serum. The ideal way of using it, giving 5 to 10 minutes time gap if you are using your vitamin C and peptide in same skincare routine. If you're using in a night skincare routine, you can use it daily, no problem. But if you layer it with your retinol, then it can be little tricky for people who with sensitive skin, because it has also got copper peptide, maybe in a small quantity. But copper peptide is not to be layered with retinol. It is strict no. You can end up irritating your skin. People who don't have a very sensitive skin, someone like me, I layer this with my retinol. It doesn't irritate my skin, but I will not recommend to those people who have highly sensitive skin. You can skip on those nights when you are using retinol. If you are using any retinol in your skincare routine, don't layer it with your retinol. If you have sensitive skin, use it on alternative day. One day you can use this, or on other day you can use the retinol. For those people, I will highly recommend this product who cannot use retinol at all. There are people who have super sensitive skin. It doesn't matter how mild form of retinol it doesn't matter how mild form of retinol they use, still they end up irritating their skin. For them, this can be a boon. This gives you all the anti-aging benefits without irritating your skin. I will show you the texture. As you can see, I have been using this product from almost more than 3 months now, and almost 3/4 of the product I have used. You can see the transparent water-like serum, and it is just like water. It will glide in just like water. It is non-sticky, non-heavy, so it will not feel sticky or greasy on your skin. Even in summers, everyone can use it. Now you will also feel your skin is hydrated after using it, because it does hydrate your skin, because it has also got amino acids in it. It will give you a slightly brightening effect because it has got niacinamide also in it. But these are not the products for which I have bought this product. I have bought this product for 6 peptides which it has got. So it is not easy to get a good peptide serum with the Indian skincare brands. Minimalist multipeptide serum, I have made a detailed video on that. That is the one product which I have been using for over the years now. But now I am in love with this product. I'm using this product. This is my new favorite in my skincare vanity. I always use this. As you can see, I have restocked myself with the new one. I never ever recommend any product in my video until and unless I use it on myself, and I am sure about that product, so I bought the new one. This one I bought for more. Spent more money. This one when I bought, it was Nika Pink Friday sale, so I got it around 4,700 rupees. But when I restocked myself with the new one, I have paid almost 2,000 rupees. So it is a bit expensive product if you see, because it retails for more than 2,000 rupees most of the time. If there is any sale, then just grab it. I would suggest it. And if you are someone like in your late 20s, then this is the best time to start using a peptide serum, retinol serum. And if you are not using retinol, I will suggest just invest in a good skincare product. Just use it and stick to it. Now, when it comes to skincare, especially anti-aging, don't expect it will give you results in 4 weeks or 6 weeks. No, it takes time. Use when you like a product which it suits your skin type, then just you need to stick to it. Use for at least 3, 4, 5 months to see some results on your skin. Now, the only one claim which this product does, it is to tighten up your pores. The one thing that I haven't felt, it doesn't work that much on your open pore, but that takes even more time. I have been using it only from 3 months. So maybe after using it for 5 to 6 months, I will see changes on my pores also. I might feel them a little bit tighter, but otherwise it does give my skin a improve my skin texture. It hydrates my skin very well. It not only helps with the fine lines, wrinkles, but also help you with sagging skin. So if you are looking for anti-aging product, budget is not an issue, then I will suggest just go for it without giving a second thought. If you are looking for a peptide serum, then also you can go for it, because without giving a second thought, this is one of the best peptide serum available in Indian skincare market. There are the other one, if you are looking for affordable one, then you can go for minimalist multi-peptide serum. But if budget is not your issue, then just go for this. So this was my review on Cosrx multi-peptide serum with 6 peptides and copper peptide, which is my favorite peptide. So if you like skincare related content, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.